If you're looking to kickstart your website for very cheap, I'm going to show you some Bluehost coupon codes. Now, all you have to do is to click on the link I'm going to show on the screen right now that I found on the internet. And when you click on this link, you'll get a very good save 75% discount code right here. Now you can see on Choice Plus or either on Basic or on my store on Pro, you'll get a discount guaranteed. Now on Choice Plus, you'll get save 75%. On Online Store, you'll get to save 63%. And on Pro, you'll get to save 52%. And for Basic, you'll get to save 75%, right? So it's very good discounts, very good saving, and it's pretty cheap as well for only $5 per month. Again, you just have to click on the link I'm showing on the screen right now to get this very nifty discount. You can see the first value here is either the Choice Plus or the basic one. You can save 75%, but of course the Choice Plus is obviously more ideal. You'll get a lot more storage, a lot more visitor, ideal for around 200K visits here as well. And of course, it's all for under 75% or a 75% discount for only $5.45 per month. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.